My name is Theo. We're going to be test driving the BMW X6 today. BMW X6 is a 2018 model. We wanted to not only be as performance-based as possible, but be different in the brand. You can see right here, completely different style in regards to a vehicle that is this large. Follow me inside the car. The BMW X6 is for somebody that's starting a family. They need enough headroom and they need enough space in the back to put any kind of luggage or to fit as many people as possible in their vehicle. So the BMW X6 is going to be a bigger vehicle than most, but you don't feel like it because of the suspension that this car has. So while you're driving, let's say you are going on a turn or an exit, we have what we call dynamic damper control, which will stiffen up the suspension depending on which direction you're turning. Another really nice thing about the BMW X6 is it's going to sit up higher, but it's very aerodynamic, which will save you fuel at specific speeds.